Hello everyone. In this video we have this nice SAT math multiple choice problem. We have this function f of x is equal to 2 times 3 to the power x minus 4 minus 7. And we have to find the x coordinate of the x-intercept for this function. But before we begin, if you are new here, please consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna give you a rough sketch of how this graph will be. So we have this side to be the x-axis and then y-axis over here. Now, if you sketch this function on a graph, it's going to be something like this. All right. And from the question, we have to find the x-coordinate of the x-intercept, which is this point. So what it means is that at this point, f of x is equal to 0. So if I let f of x equals y, then what it means is that at this point we have f of x, which is equal to y, is equal to 0. Okay, so I can say that y is equal to 2 times 3 to the power x minus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2 times 3 to the power x minus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now let's move this negative 7 to this side. So we have 2 times 3 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 7. And this equation is also the same as 2 times 3 to the power x all divided by 3 to the power 4. And this is equal to 7. So we have 2 times 3 to the power x over 3 to the power 4 is nothing but 81, and this is equal to 7. So from here we can cross multiply. So we have 2 times 3 to the power x is equal to 7 times 81. So we have 2 times 3 to the power x is equal to 7 times 81 is 567. Alright, now let's go ahead and then divide each side by 2 so that this will cancel this. Now we have 3 to the power x is equal to 567 over 2. Okay, now since we want to find the value of x, let's go ahead and then take log in base 10 to the both sides of the equation. So we have 567 over 2 over here. So we have x log 3 is equal to, this is the same as log 567 minus log 2. Since we want to find the value of x, let's go ahead and divide each side of the equation by log 3. So this side also by log 3. So that this one will cancel this. So we have x is equal to log 567 minus log 2 all divided by log 3. So if you punch this on a calculator, you'll be getting approximately 5.14. Alright, so what it means is that at this point we have 5.14 then 0. Okay, so this is our final answer. We have 5.14 then 0, and this is the coordinate. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.